Welcome to Tech Tycoon. Robotics presents both an exciting and worrying future for humans. By eliminating the human operator, robots can save labor, reduce costs, and reduce risks. For example, using a robot to handle something radioactive or dismantle an explosive device. The military has always been at the cutting edge of technology, so it should come as no surprise that the most advanced robots in the world are being built with military applications in mind. While the thought of autonomous machines carrying heavy armaments might make people a bit nervous, they have the potential to dramatically reduce loss of life, allowing soldiers to safely scout locations or breach enemy locations. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 terrifying military robots that really exist. If you don't want to miss a video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Number 10. Big Dog. Big Dog is a dynamically stable quadruped military robot that was created in 2005 by Boston Dynamics with Foster Miller, the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and the Harvard University Concorde Field Station. It was funded by DARPA, but the project was shelved after the Big Dog was deemed too loud for combat. The robot's onboard computer controls locomotion, processes sensors, and handles communications with the user. Big Dog's control system keeps it balanced, manages locomotion on a wide variety of terrain, and does navigation. Number 9. Atlas. Atlas is a bipedal humanoid robot primarily developed by the American robotics company Boston Dynamics with funding and oversight from the U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. Atlas was created for use in the DARPA Robotics Challenge, DRC, a prize competition intended to speed the development of advanced robotic hardware, software, sensors, and control interfaces so that robots might assist humans in responding to future natural and man-made disasters. Number 8. Rex. R-Hex is an autonomous robot design based on hexapod with compliant legs and one actuator per leg. A number of U.S. universities have participated, with funding grants also coming from DARPA. R-Hex is a bio-inspired, hexapod robot designed for locomotion in rough terrain. It can drive over rocks, mud, sand, snow, and railroad tracks. You can throw any obstacle in front of it. R-Hex doesn't care. XR-Hex is stymied by steep slopes and vertical walls, so our team decided to improve its climbing ability by adding microspine feet and designing a lighter body. Number 7. Cheetah. MIT new Mini Cheetah robot is the first four-legged robot to do a backflip. At only 20 pounds, the limber quadruped can bend and swing its legs wide, enabling it to walk either right side up or upside down. The robot can also trot over uneven terrain about twice as fast as an average person's walking speed. Developed by mechanical engineer Sang-bi Kim and his team, the Robo-Cheetah can currently run 10 miles per hour and jump over objects in its way. Number 6. Ambot. China has unveiled a robotic crime fighter known as the Ambot. Developed by the National Defense University, this 1.49m, 78 kg droid patrols at a leisurely 1 km/h and will play an important role in enhancing the country's anti-terrorism and anti-riot measures. Also conspicuously absent from the report is any mention of a feature that may prove useful to Chinese terrorists or rioters striving to outwit an indignant Ambot: its inability to climb stairs. Number 5. Mars. The Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System is a robot that is being developed by Kinetic. A member of the Talon family, it will be the successor to the Armed Swords robot. It has a different, larger chassis than the Swords robot, so has little physically in common with the Swords and Talon robots. Mars can be positioned in remote areas where personnel are currently unable to monitor their security, and can also carry either a direct or indirect fire weapon system. Number 4. Dogo. It is equipped with 8 cameras that supply its operator, who uses a special tablet to control it, a 360-degree sight range, even at night. Moreover, it also has caterpillar tracks that allow it to climb over obstacles and travel in difficult terrain. What makes the Dogo unique, though, is the fact that it's armed with a 9mm Glock 26 pistol capable of carrying 14 rounds of ammunition, It can even fire non-lethal rounds according to the requirements of any given mission. The robot's operator can also communicate with the enemy in sight using a special speaker, allowing for negotiations prior to shots being fired or to confuse him with simulated noises and distractions, like barks or sirens. Number 3. OWL Robot. Although the U.S. Marine Corps may have unveiled their futuristic multi-utility tactical transport recently, another unlikely source may have beaten them in the race to develop an automated combat-centric vehicle. Armed with rockets and machine guns, the robot will reportedly be used against its fighters in the upcoming offensive to liberate Mosul. With the ISF and coalition forces planning on beginning their assault on Mosul, Iraq's second-largest city and one of the few remaining ISIS bastions, it might play an instrumental role in its liberation. Number 2. PD-100 Black Hornet. The Black Hornet Nano is a military micro-unmanned aerial vehicle developed by Prox Dynamics as of Norway and in use by the armed forces of the United States, France, the United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, Norway, the Netherlands, and India. The cost to equip the UK Army with 30 Black Hornets is just shy of US $1.8 million. That's about $60,000 apiece for the drone. Its compact form and military-specific design may make it such a good fit for the UK that they found it indispensable after 2 years without it. Number 1. Gladiator. The Gladiator Tactical Unmanned Ground Vehicle program was developed in order to support the United States Marine Corps conduct of ship-to-object maneuver missions through the use of a medium-sized, robotic system to minimize risks and eliminate threats to Marines during conflict. The Gladiator Tug will provide the Marine Corps ground combat element with an unmanned tele-operated, semi-autonomous ground vehicle for combat tasks in order to reduce risk to the warfighter. These were some of the most advanced and terrifying robots. Hope you guys liked the video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.